You have ideas, you know what habit helps, but writing a whole blog post on productivity that takes hours, not anymore. This one was done, fully written, SEO ready, images in, layouts, and even FAQs added. It is all done under in 3 minutes, and no, I did not write a single word myself. Autoblogging.ai did, and let me show you how I did this. So once you log in into Autoblogging.ai, on your left panel, you're going to see 3 different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because this is a step-by-step builder. You'll fill things out once and Autoblogging does the rest. So article title, I'm going to type 7 daily habits to improve your focus and productivity. Alright, now this tells AI what kind of a structure and topic we are looking for. Here I'm going to stick with English, but you've got 30 languages to choose from. Great if you have an international audience. For the article length, I'm going to go with medium, just enough space to explain habits without overwhelming the reader, but here's the breakdown. Short is best for tips, blurbs or newsletter style blogs, and long is better for full guides, deeper strategy blogs or a step-by-step plan. So medium. I'm going to select listicle here because we are breaking down this blog into 7 daily habits. But here's what other style do. Informative writes a structured breakdown like an educational post. Places, it builds location specific content, and service bar landing pages builds a landing page layout more for service or a program. So listicle. Here I'm going to pick second person, so the blog speaks directly to the reader. But you can also choose first person if you're writing a personal blog, and third person for a more neutral and a formal format of the blog. The style, I'm going to pick conversational because mindset and self-help content should sound real and easy to follow. But here's what other options do. Auto lets AI pick what fits best for the blog. Less AI words is more human sounding blog. Premium style 1 is an optimized for an SEO structure. Snippet optimizer is formatted to win Google snippet shots. Witty is more fun and energetic tone. Professional is clean and editorial and is better for brands and corporate tone. So conversational. Now here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Alright, so intense optimized article, it sharpens structures and keywords usage. FAQs will add related questions what people are searching in Google. AI images will add images that matches your habits with alt text, which is great for SEOs. And infographics will insert visuals elements like daily habit routines or a checklist. SERP Analysis. This makes the AI scan top ranking blogs on Google for this topic, so it can follow what's already working. Same topic, smarter structure, and yeah, you'll have a better shot at ranking. I'm going to enable this, and you can quickly add a note here that how you want your article to be, and you can also select the country where you need your article to rank on top. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Now outline from competition follows layout used by blogs that are already ranking. External links add links to credible sites like productivity tools or studies. YouTube videos will add related videos which is matching to the blog, and key takeaways will add short and final summary at the end of your blog. AI proofreading, now just enable this and quickly leave a note. Let's say make sure it sounds motivating but clear, so the AI will polish it before it's getting published. Internal linking. Now if you have already written other blogs like morning routines or time management tips, you just have to enable this and quickly add your domain here. So Autoblogging will auto link this blog to those, and it helps with SEO and keeps people on your site for longer. Now, want a real editor to double check everything? Just enable this and quickly leave a note like check tone or make sure that the stats and studies are current and up to date. So yeah, for this you will need a credit which you can buy anytime from the dashboard. Just click on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view like icon. And there you go, your full blog is ready with clear habits, images in place, structure is done right, SEO built in already, and even FAQs added. To be quicker next time, just go on the single feature and type in the article title. It is just as same as Wizard but with fewer clicks. And if you want to upload 10, 20 or even 100 articles at once, you can also use a bulk generate. It is perfect for agencies or planning weekly content calendars, and you can also auto post it to WordPress. If you're building content around mindset, productivity, or focus, Autoblogging.ai gives you content without the burnout. And if you would rather skip blogging completely, we also offer a done for you blog service where you handle the strategy and we handle the writing. Drop your next topic in the comments, and if this helped, hit a like, subscribe. I've got more productivity blog walkthroughs coming.